In this video, I'll show you how to enable and schedule night lights on your Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, if you want to enable the dark lights, the night lights, click on these settings. Click on these settings. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, click on this display. Now from this display, you're going to see a whole lot of options right here. So if you want to turn or enable your night lights, just come on here, click on it, right? And if you want to schedule your night lights, what this means is that, let's say, like you're going to put a time that this night light would automatically turn on, right? Let's say you can schedule it from every 7 p.m. evening, right? Every 7 p.m. evening, you're going to turn it on. So you can come on here, I can just type in 7 p.m., right? 7 p.m. I'm going to click on this. Then it's going to turn off. I can just put it in the morning, let's say by 6 a.m., right? Or let me say by 6:30 a.m., right? I'll click on this. So once I'm done, you're going to just leave it, right? So I've turned this on, right? I've turned this on. So this is basically how you can do that. And before you can make this happen, you're going to turn on the location to schedule the night light at sunset, right? So just you use the location settings, turn it on. Once you have turned it on, everything is gonna set, right? And yeah, that is how you can enable and schedule night lights here on your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.